The plumbers have been hiding it from you all this time. Most people use a plumber like this to uncover the toilet. But this method is not always the most effective, as it rarely works when the bathroom is seriously. Another widely used method is to pour boiling water into the bathroom, but this method rarely, and at the same time it can be dangerous if the water burns you. Don't stress out, because today you will learn the strangest and most effective method to uncover. Toilet using only one bag. It sounds weird, I know, but it works. Just make sure that the bag has no hole and that it is made of a resistant material. So stay until the end to make the most of it. To start, first we must dry all this surface very well. To do this, we will help ourselves with a little toilet paper. We must also dry the lid. You must make sure that it is very dry, since only this way the trick can work. Now we take our bag and we are going to place it around the toilet, just as I show you on the... You must place it very well so that it covers the entire bowl and make sure that it is well and without wrinkles. Once we have it like this, we lower the first lid of the toilet. At this point, you must make sure that the bag is still well stretched. Next, we lower the second lid of the toilet. Next, I'm going to sit on the lid to show you this ingenious trick. Now we just have to unload the water. Observe this part well so that you can see that there will be no water spills. When pulling the toilet, the water exerts pressure on the bowl, which is retained by my weight on bag. This causes the bowl to uncover quickly from any difficult obstruction. Let's check by lifting the lids in the bag. Look at how well it works. We have uncovered our toilet only with a bag. You have already seen how easy it has been to uncover our toilet. Now I will give you a recipe so that your toilet and bathroom always smell good. In a container, we are going to add 4 tablespoons of detergent powder. Then we add 2 tablespoons of salt. We also add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. We are going to mix until everything is well integrated. Take advantage and let me know from which country you see us to send you a special greeting. Today's greeting is for Leticia Hernandez from the United States. Now we are going to add a little water. We will use a good amount. And as a last ingredient, we add 3 tablespoons of disinfectant and mix very well. Once we have everything ready, we apply it all over the toilet from top to bottom. First the tank, then the lid. And so you will apply this mixture, especially in the lateral areas and around here, which accumulates urine when there are men who are not careful when urinating. And we also apply it all over the floor of the bathroom. Let it rest for about 10 minutes and then remove with plenty of water.